Riwruok mar jopuonje mar KNUT koro wacho ni sirikal sekta mar somo ni kama rach nikech sirikal oserem chwalo omenda ne sikunde, gino momiyo jopuonje sani kale pek mar chwalo chenro mag somo. Kaluwore kod jagoro mar KNUT Soyo, ewi atamalo 50 mar omenda ma sirikal onego chwal ne sikunde e tam mokwongo mar somo, sirikal ochwalo mana atamalo 25 kende, gino mathiro chenro mag somo kendo duoko chien ondamo mosebed kigoyo e bero somo e pachoka. Kata kamano, jatend migao mar somo Ezekiel Machogu osingo ni sikunde biro yudo pesgi ma odong e jumbe 2 mabiro.
I want to tell you is I looked at a document that was presented to my office by the current chairman of Kenya Schools, Secondary Schools Heads Association. It is pathetic, my brother. And I want to tell you, even earlier, the issue of capitation for senior school was at 21,000. Immediately, it was reduced to 17,000. We don't understand the rationale. And I want to tell you that heads are crying. Principals are crying. The situation is pathetic. I don't want to go beyond that. If you understand the word pathetic, that is the situation.
We gave the first quarter capitation, and I think any time from next week or the week after, we should be able to give the second quarter of capitation. I know the secondary schools and our primary schools are eagerly waiting for this, and in one